Welcome to our natural world. Stay with nature and taste a healthy being happy. Bay leaf essential benefits. Since ancient times, bay leaf was believed to be effective at calming the mind. The linalool and cineol found in bay leaf have been found to reduce anxiety and lower the levels of stress hormones. Bay leaf essential oil properties lie in the warming effect of the oil, which makes it suitable for aches and pains. This oil is extracted by steam distillation of fresh leaves of the bay tree, whose scientific name is Laurus nobilis. The main constituents of bay essential oil are alpha pinene, alpha terpineol, beta pinene, cavicol, geranyl acetate, eugenol, limonene, linalool, methyl cavicol, myrcene, and nerol. The health benefits of bay essential oil can be attributed to its properties as a potentially antiseptic, antibiotic, anti-neuralgic, antispasmodic, analgesic, aperitif, astringent, cholagogic, emmenagogue, febrifuge, insecticide, sedative, stomachic, sudorific, and a tonic substance. The benefits of bay essential oil provide relief from spasm, cramps, coughs, aches, diarrhea, nerves afflictions, and convulsions can be some of the ailments caused by spasms, which is an excessive contraction in the respiratory tracts, muscles, nerves, blood vessels, and internal organs. Not only does it cause the ailments discussed above, but sometimes it can also become fatal if it is overly excessive. For example, excessive spasm in the respiratory system can leave someone breathless or literally choke them to death. The essential oil of the bay might give relief from spasm by relaxing the contractions and helping to avoid the related dangers and ailments. Boost appetite. Loss of appetite is a very common problem with people who lead a metropolitan way of life. With the excessive pressure of work in the office as well as at home, a never ending source for money, and almost no time to relax or exercise, it is bound to happen. This loss of appetite can eventually induce acute deficiencies in those people. Therefore, an appetizer or an aperitif can be a helping hand in these cases. The herbal aperitif, like the essential oil of bay, can help them to want and have a sumptuous lunch or dinner. Helps in cancer prevention. The unique combination of antioxidants and organic compounds present in bay leaves, including phytonutrients, catechins, linalool, and parthenolide, helps to protect the body from the effect of free radicals. Free radicals can cause healthy cells to mutate into cancerous cells, which bay leaves are particularly adept at preventing. Bay leaf oil improving heart health. Caffeic acid and rutin are both important organic compounds found in the bay leaf essential oil that enhances heart health. Bay leaf tea is good for heartburn problems. Rutin strengthens capillary walls in the heart and the body's extremities, while caffeic acid can help eliminate bad cholesterol from the cardiovascular system. Bay leaf oil for hair growth. In order to improve the health of the hair follicles and eliminate dandruff, bay leaves oil with steamed in water and then rubbed on the scalp after shampooing. The chemicals and volatile ingredients in bay leaves can help to eliminate dry skin and dandruff. Bay leaves are also useful in hair regrowth and hair loss prevention. Bay leaf oil as antibiotic. This oil is also known for its antibiotic properties. That means that it can inhibit any sort of biotic growth in the body, effectively safeguarding you against those infections. Provide relief from neuralgia pain. Neuralgia can be very painful and may also leave almost the entire oral zone, including the throat, ears, tonsils, base of the nose, larynx, pharynx, and the surrounding areas suffering from severe pain. The essential oil of bay has potentially analgesic and astringent properties, which can provide relief from the pain of neuralgia in its own way. Being an analgesic, it reduces the feeling of pain in the affected area. They fight infections. Since certain components of the bay essential oil can help in fighting infections that cause cough, cold, and fever, this oil can also help reduce fevers. Its sudorific property can also contribute to this since perspiration might bring down body temperature. Bay leaves reduce anxiety and stress. One of the least commonly known benefits of bay leaves is their naturally soothing quality. Linalool is often associated with thyme and basil, but it is also present in bay leaves and can help to lower the level of stress hormones in the body, especially when used in aromatherapy. Excess stress hormones can be dangerous for long term health, so bay leaves can help you calm down and remain relaxed even in your most high anxiety moments. Bay leaves good for diabetes management. Bay leaves have been directly connected with improved insulin receptor function and regulated blood sugar levels. For patients at risk of developing diabetes or for those who have already developed the condition, regular consumption of bay leaves can significantly lower the chances of diabetes episodes. Bay leaf for menstrual cramps problems. Bay leaves, when taken orally, can induce regular and normal menstruation. They also have the property of curing vaginal discharge. Bay leaf helps in inducing sleep. Consumption of bay leaves at bedtime helps to induce proper sleep. For this purpose, a few drops of the bay leaf extract is mixed with water and consumed. Bay leaf for dandruff and hair loss. A rinse made from infused bay leaves is effective in treating dandruff. Bay leaf tea is considered a great remedy for hair loss. Bay leaf oil is a tonic for hair that effectively combats dandruff and hair loss. Other uses and benefits. Bay leaves are natural insect repellents. Bay leaves are a great insect repellent as they contain lauric acid. A dish of bay leaves can ward off insects. A paste made from crushed leaves and little oil relieves stings and bites when applied topically. Bay leaf oil are in many foods. Bay leaves are used as flavoring in soups, stews, meat, fish, sauces, and in confectionaries. Both leaves and fruits possess aromatic, stimulant, and narcotic properties. Bay leaf side effect and allergies. When taken by mouth, bay leaf and bay leaf oil is likely safe for most people in food amounts. Ground bay leaf is possibly safe when taken by mouth in medicinal amounts short term. But if you cook with whole bay leaf, be sure to remove it before eating the food. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. There is not enough reliable information about the safety of taking bay leaf if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Stay on the safe side and avoid use. If this information helps you, please thumbs up, like button and subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos updates.